Saniboneni my board members, ngithe namhlanje anginitshele ngabantu okanye osaziwayo abadumile lapha eSouth Africa kodwa ungaboni base-South Africa futhi abangazalelanga lana kodwa-ke asebenzinze lapha. So these are famous South Africans who are not from South Africa. Number one, we have Leroy Gopae. He's a comedian, a voiceover, and an artist. This one is from Zimbabwe, Harare. He was born and bred there. He came to South Africa to study, to do arts, and then after that he realized that now this is a soft life. He is now in South Africa, married to a South African lady, and has 2-3 beautiful children. He's known for his roles on Generations, Top Sizzler, and plenty voiceovers. He's very educated and very talented. On number 2, we have the famous Connie Karabo. Known as Karabo, but Connie Ferguson. Connie came to South Africa with her husband, Shona Ferguson, who has passed. They both from Botswana. She's never hidden the fact that she's not from the country. But she came here, she built an empire. So Connie Ferguson, Karabo again, Karabo in South Africa. Wase Lesotho wazalelwa khona kanjalo nomndeni wakhe umyisa ahlala khona nomkhosi nendoda yakhe eyakhona futhi washada yona. Ayikho into eyamhlanganisa nabantu base-South Africa. Ke kodwa-ke usezinze lapha-ke nabantwana bakhe kanye nomndeni wakhe kodwa uhlezi egoduka ekhaya. Owesithathu siphethe u-Akin Omotoso. I think lo sonke siyamazi waduma kakhulu kwi-Generations. He looked gorgeous and everything. This man is a Nigerian man and his surname is Omotoso Akin. He reminds me of Bishop Bobosho Mfundisi Aga Omotoso. He's also a director, a film director. He has produced so many movies in South Africa. But with him, he stays here in South Africa and then he also stays in Nigeria. So he makes movies here and then he also makes movies in Nigeria. Number 4, we have the beautiful, handsome Raphael Griffiths. He is from Zambia, right here next to us. He was born there, but his mother is Zulu from KZN. And for years he has hid his identity, but uRaphael akayena wase-South Africa. So umndeni wakhe uhlakazekile, ubabakhe useZambia, umamakhe ulapha eKZN, kanjalo nabafowabo nodadewabo nabo bagcwele zonke izinkalo lezi ongayicabanga. Number 5, we have Luteboho Molise, born and bred in Lesotho in Maseru. She grew up there and then she moved to Butebute. So the other day there were auditions for Mubango. Mubango said, we are coming to Lesotho to do the auditions, and she was like, you know what, let me just take a chance, and she did. And then after that she never looked back. She came to South Africa, she joined Mubango for years and years. She's now here and been working with Manyama Production. She is in Useshade was divorced with a South African guy. Waphinde bahlukana naye, waphinde bathola indoda onengane eziwu-2 njengamanje. Lona ngu-DJ Oskid, u-Oscar Mhlongwa wale Zimbabwe. Yabona nje indaba yalo angifuni ukuyikhuluma ngoba nje uwadle kakhulu amathende ase-South Africa. Angazi wathola kanjani ngaphela around e-South Africa noma mhlawumbe usene-South African ID. Angifuni nje uqamba amanga, angimazi nokuthi wafika kanjani e-South Africa u-Skid. Qedela amathende ebhaluthi waze waba nomuzi waze washona ime waze wabuya udlela imali ze-South Africa udlela futhi amathende. Hayi into yokudijeya nje uyayidlalela ngayo ayisuka. Amanda Dupont. She is of French, Italian, Portuguese, and Swaziland descendant. So her father more like her Italian, and Umamake is a Swaziland woman. So she's Swati. She was born in Swaziland. Wafunda khona, wakholela khona, kwase kuthi ekhaya kubo babuvele eMpumalanga ngokuthi ahambe bayofunda athola amandlela ahlaza. Hayi ke Amanda-ke wasezegoli-ke wazozenzela-ke izinto-ke, wazobe slay queen nje esiyijolelayo nje nobafa esiyijolelayo-ke nje sisho ngoba-ke nje slay queen njengamanje wa-act kancane nake sebopha nojuju ama-South African kuningi nje kodwa akayeni wayelaseswatini. On number 8, we have Lady Sama. She was born Yamikani Banda. She's from Malawi. She says her name is Banda, and she was given that name by her father, which means praise, because apparently kathizala uma wakhe wacishe washona. Uthi-ke babakhe we half South African and half Malawian, but then uma wakhe waseMalawi. Uthi-ke she grew up ekhuluma isiNgisi njengoba nami ngisakhuluma isiNgisi, ngoba bebengazazi kumele bakhulume ini ekhaya kubo, ngoba there was a language barrier between yena nobabakhe, between babakhe nomamakhe. So then they got married and she grew up in Pretoria. Ngoke sefuna ubophisa usijiva-ke yabona.